Hello, and thank you for joining us once again for another episode. Brothers, the knowledge I am emphasizing is crucial for you and your future generations to be Muslims and remain Muslim. It's not something ordinary that can be neglected. Just as you don't neglect your farming, providing water to your crops, and protecting your harvest, you shouldn't neglect providing for your livestock, your livelihood, simply because if you neglect them, you'll go hungry, and something as precious as faith may be lost. So tell me, why do you neglect acquiring this knowledge, which is essential for becoming and remaining a Muslim? Isn't there a risk that faith, something more precious than life, might be lost? Is faith not more valuable than worldly possessions? Can you not dedicate even a fraction of the time and effort you put into protecting your livelihood to safeguarding your faith? I'm not saying that each one of you should become scholars, read extensive books, and spend a significant portion of your life studying. To become a Muslim, you don't need that. I only want each of you to spend just 1 hour out of the 24 hours in a day to learn about faith. At the very least, every Muslim, whether young or old, should acquire enough knowledge to understand the purpose for which the Quran was revealed and recognize the wisdom behind the teachings it brings. They should understand the life Prophet Muhammad lived, who brought those teachings, and be familiar with the way of life that Allah has ordained for Muslims. You don't need an excessive amount of knowledge, and if faith is dear to you, spending an hour a day for it shouldn't be too difficult. Thank you for tuning in and being a part of our journey. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching. Join our community of passionate viewers and subscribe today to stay inspired and never miss out on our latest content.